In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce background noise on iPhone calls. So here we are going to enable the voice isolation. And in order for us to make this work, we're going to go ahead and click the camera right here. Just open a video and we're going to go ahead and scroll down from here. There you go. I scroll down from the upper right. And then we're going to go ahead and click camera right here. And then what you're going to see is the audio and video right here. So you can see there is the mic, and what you're going to do is set it to voice isolation. Normally it's set to automatic just like so, but I want you to go ahead and choose a voice isolation as the third option right here. Once you're done with that, you can then go ahead and close this one, and you can go ahead and start recording or making calls, and you'll see that the voice will be isolated, and it's just going to be a lot more clearer for you. And yeah, that's how you're going to do it. I hope this video helps you out.